Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss about identity. What is an identity? Consider the equality a plus 1 into a plus 2. If we multiply, we will get a square plus 3a plus 2. We shall evaluate both sides of this equality for some values of a, say a equal to 10. For a equal to 10, left hand side is 132 and right hand side is also 132. Thus the values of the two sides of the equality are equal for a is equal to 10. Let us now take a is equal to minus 5. Left hand side is equal to 12 and right hand side is also equal to 12. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. We shall find that for any value of a, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Such an equality, true for every value of the variable in it, is called an identity. Thus, a plus 1 into a plus 2 is equal to a square plus 3a plus 2 is an identity. An equation is true for only certain values of the variable in it. It is not true for all values of the variable. Thus, for example, consider the equation a square plus 3a plus 2 is equal to 132. It is true for a is equal to 10 as seen above, but it is not true for a equal to minus 5 and for a equal to 0, etc. Right, so that a square plus 3a plus 2 equal to 132 is not true for a equal to minus 5 and for a equal to 0. Now we shall discuss about standard identities. We shall now study three identities which are very useful in our work. These identities are obtained by multiplying a binomial by another binomial. Let us first consider the product a plus b into a plus b or a plus b whole square. That is a plus b into a plus b, that we will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. Thus, clearly, this is an identity since the expression on the right hand side is obtained from the left hand side by actual multiplication. One may verify that for any value of a and any value of b, the values of the two sides are equal. Next, we consider a minus b whole square, that you will get a square minus 2ab plus b square. Finally, we consider a plus b into a minus b, that will be equal to a square minus b square. The identities 1, 2, 3 are all known as the standard identities. We shall now work out more useful identity. X plus a into x plus b, that will be equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These are the various identities. We can see that identity 4 is the general form of the other three identities also, right? These are the various identities. We'll use all these identities in the exercises. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.